We are Stefania from Japan, Angela from France, and Daniela from Brazil. Stefania is 28, Angela 23, and Daniela 27. Brazil is located in America. Her main tourist is attraction in the Cristo de Redentor Old Town. Daniela says she is afraid of the heights. She loves to go there and its beach in Rio de Janeiro. To grade, use the number of cases depend on where we are. France is located in Western Europe. Its main tourist attraction is the Eiffel Tower. Surprises are not safe there, although Angela loves them. Japan is located in Asia. One of the tourists is its Tsukushima Shirin. There should not be the pain it is considered disrespectful. However, when she visits other cultures, Stefania does it. We have been friends for 8 months and we meet through this website. Pen pal is funny letter. We we believe that begin pen pal late use the same goal. Learning English has knowing different cultures and language.
Let's talk about the experience of being pen pals. Between the third of use, we decided to create a WhatsApp group to communicate more often and tell each other about new experience. Since to this tool, we can make video case. We have been motivated by watching some series in English and at the end telling the other what we understand. In addition to reading magazines and books in English of our interesting, this has given us the possibility of better understanding the English language, knowing the vocabulary, and this understanding is more easy. We learned about the change suggested with the Pine Pals in Funny Leather. Website we started reading about England is the along with Scotland. It is one of the largest economies on the planet. Its capital is London. Their currency is the point sterling with the different touch and Nile. Here you cannot say the food is horrible since they have a great gastronomic offer, and if we want we can eat really well. Order and punctually. The English are very punctual and organized. Therefore we must never escape a queen and punctually is not a courtesy with a requirement. Best regards at Stefania, Angela, and Daniela. Bye.